So here we have today, new bike reveal day. I've seen them all do it on the channels where they pull the sheet off the big flash new bike. Well, mostly people, they do the same thing. So here we go. So here we've got new bike reveal day, and looking at the state of that spark plug. Oh dear, that's a mission. Well, I bought the latest bike as parts. I saw the advert, it just said parts for sale. The photos weren't very good, it just looked like a heap of junk. It was virtually a complete bike. I was going to use it as spares for my old 85 6-volt postie, but what I'm going to do now, I've got an idea for a project, and I'll give you a glimpse of what I've got in mind. This spark plug is sheared off in the cylinder head on this, so I'm going to go through how we're going to get that out. I'm going to drill it out and hopefully use one of these, commonly called an easy out. And what we do, we drill a hole, we then hammer that easy out in and wind the easy out anti-clockwise and hopefully unscrew what remains of the spark plug. Let's see if it works. The engine is seized. Now obviously metal swarf and filings will go inside the head. Obviously I'm going to take the head off anyway. I'm just doing it now as it's an easy way to hold the head steady while I do the work on it. But I'm going to take the head off to access the top of the inside the combustion chamber to clean it all out and unseize the engine anyway. So I've put some oil on the drill. Let's see what happens. Well, that was pretty easy. I've given it a good spray. I've put the easy out in, given it a tap. Let's see if it'll screw out. Well, the easy out is biting. I'm wondering if the actual threads are just too badly corroded. Well, I don't have a tap to fit, so what I've done, I've taken the spark plug and I've just cut some grooves in it. I've broken the end off so I can get a socket on it, and let's see if this will work. And if it doesn't work, then it may be a drill out and a helicoil. The spark plug goes in at an angle on these, so it's very easy to cross thread it. And, maybe. So I wound it in and out a few times, oiled it, sprayed it with inox. And my homemade spark plug tap seems to be slowly doing the trick. I wouldn't recommend you do this. Don't be a cheapskate like me. Buy or borrow the correct size tap. It's not worth destroying your cylinder head for the sake of the price of a tap. But if you're in the middle of nowhere and you're really stuck, and you never know, it may get you out of a jam. I think that's about it. So that worked. I've screwed a plug in there just to keep any muck out, but I will be tearing the engine down anyway. What am I going to do with this bike? Well, the picture is 1,000 words, so I'll just set it up in a mock-up and show you what my plans are. So what do you think? That's the concept. Because of the high-low gearbox, I thought it'd be an ideal candidate to turn into a trials bike. So what do you think? Is it either cool, crazy or crap? Let me know. It's going to be a long, drawn out, ongoing project as I get together the parts, but I think it'll be good in the end. Thanks for watching.